test 2. Alright, I'm ready when you are. I'm gonna start it here and I'm just gonna go like this.
Where's your GoPro at?
It's right, it's not even underneath. It's right here, so I won't even, yeah, I'll be able to just whip it back.
And you got it turned on?
Yeah.
So when do I start spraying? When you get the camera all the way down?
Yeah, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna go here and then stop it. If you wanna, yeah, if you wanna just, or once I get like right about like below this thing, you can start whenever. I'll just speed up if you start a little early.
All right, ready?
Yep. Nice.
Is that a better one?
Yeah, that was actually really good. I think both of those are gonna be super good shots.
Heck yeah.
Thanks, guys.